Good night, teacher and classmates. My name is William Arias. I belong to the Technology in Logistics Process Management program. Today I'm developing Activity 5, which consists of the following. Uh, his name is What do you have to? Uh, this activity say make a list of the activities that you should do after a purchase meeting. The list sentence. Mm, and create an oral presentation where you describe the activity writing in the previous list. The first sentence are after a purchase meeting. Well, the main function of the purchasing department is to acquire the necessary elements in the required quality at the right time and the same cost. And after a shopping meeting, the activity to be changed are study the markets in order to set the right time to buy. Ask for quotes before buying items of importance to compare the offers and make the order according to the fundamental standards of the company. Be aware of the legal and tax provisions that may affect the price of the articles. Receive all sellers, although they do not find demand for their respective products of the moment. It is very important to keep all commercial relationships active. Arrange what is necessary to count and review purchases in order to ensure the proper execution of orders. Keep an adequate note of the behavior of the various suppliers. Cultivate several sources of supply. Control all the documents management that accompanies each purchase. To have information in real time of the stock of the organization. And make the purchase taking into account all the management carried out, ensuring that it meets the requirements of the area concerned. Well, is the end. Thanks.